In this video, I'm going to show you how to format an MLA paper from scratch in Microsoft Word. Let's launch the Microsoft Word app. Since we want to format a document from scratch, we'll start with a blank document. Now, let's go through the formatting steps step by step. First, we need to check the margins. Go to Layout, then Margins. In the drop-down menu, make sure you've selected the normal margin, which has a 1-inch border on every side. Go back to the Home tab. Now we have to change the font. Although both Times New Roman and Courier fonts are acceptable for official papers, it's best to use Times New Roman. Click on the font option and change it to Times New Roman. The official font size for an MLA paper is 12. So change your font size if it's not already set to 12. Now click on this icon in the corner of the paragraph section to open the paragraph settings. In the pop-up window, click on line spacing and select double. Now, an important step, you must turn on the Don't Add Space Between Paragraphs option. If you don't enable it, there will be extra space between paragraphs, which is not acceptable in MLA format. After you're done, click OK. Now, on the first line, type the name of the person writing the paper. In the next line, write the name of your teacher or professor. Make sure to use the appropriate title when addressing their name. Some of them may be doctor or professor. In the next line, enter your class name or code. Now we have to add the date. Be careful with the date format. You need to write the day in numbers, the month in words, and the year in numbers again. Remember to separate the day, month, and year with spaces, not commas or any other symbols. Now let's add the page numbers. Double-click on the upper part of the margin. This will open the header section for you. In the header menu, click on Page Number. From the drop-down menu, select Top of Page, then choose the right-aligned page number. Before the page number, add the last name of the author of the paper. Now you'll notice that the font in the header is different from the one we're using in the main document. In MLA format, your entire document must use the same font and size. To fix this, select the entire header. In the pop-up, click on the font option and change it to Times New Roman. Let's return to the main document. In the next line, set the alignment to center and type your article title. When writing your article title, follow this rule. Capitalize the first letter of uncommon words and keep common words in lowercase. As you can see, I've capitalized the letters for how, format, paper, and word, but kept to, an, and in lowercase. In the next line, change the alignment back to normal and start writing your article. Now we need to fix the indents for the article. You can do this in two ways. You can manually go to the beginning of every paragraph and press the Tab key on your keyboard to add indents. However, this process can take a lot of time if your article is long. Alternatively, you can select the entire article and open the paragraph settings again. In the pop-up window, click on Special and select First Line. You can also adjust the indent size, but I'll leave it as it is and click OK. Now you can see that the first line of every paragraph is indented. By following these steps, you can easily format an MLA paper in Word.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.